Hey guys, if your DeWalt planer is spitting out chips and sawdust from the front, I've got a solution for you. I couldn't find it anywhere on YouTube. Let me show you how I fixed it. So you think all that sawdust in this little manifold is the problem? Nope. Stick around. Next, they said check the impeller to see if you have any debris there or if you need to tighten it. Nope. Now let's check the exhaust hose. I didn't see any debris there. So now let's just check the dust collector. Sometimes debris piles up right there at the input or at the intake. Nope, no problem there. Let's test it out. Same sawdust coming out. So now we're going to take the exhaust port off just to make sure. Nothing. The exhaust is working on the planer. Yeah, I'm getting good airflow there. Here I'm just seeing if I can feel the suction. This is with the dust extractor or dust collector on. And I've got good pressure before, so I decided to change out the bag up top. I've had this dust collector for 8 or 9 years, and I would highly recommend it. Leave me a comment, extension cord in the comments, if you like that extension cord hit me the whole time. When I turned it on with the new bag up top, it actually sounded louder, like faster. So let's run some more cherry through and see if we're getting all the sawdust in front. We are not. In the back, no sawdust. It's working like a champ. Now let's test the suction. It was actually jerking the hose with the suction, so it was working really well. I haven't had it working this well for a long time. Thanks for checking it out. Please like and subscribe.